My name is Mike Sullivan. I'm a former IRS agent and teaching instructor. Welcome to my YouTube station. It's the home of the 5-minute or less video. I don't need books, a suit and tie, a script. I have been doing this for over 50 years. I'm a national expert in IRS resolution matters. Many of you have seen me on my all my national broadcast. You can go ahead and look at my website at 777irs.com. I've been on many of the major news stations, and more important, when you look at my website, look at my team of former IRS agents. That website is full of good information for you. By the way, the reason I do these videos is for 3 reasons. So A, you don't get ripped off. Today I'm going to be speaking about that. The other thing is I give you insider information, and lastly, I like to educate you so you can make an informed decision. If you want to contact us, you can just look at us. You'll see the information below. I want to talk to you today about, I got to remember the subject, please, federal tax debt forgiveness. I get this a lot. How do you really settle these cases for pennies on a dollar? What is this tax forgiveness all about? It's really important that you understand this so you don't get ripped off. The federal debt forgiveness is all about the offer and compromise program. That's what tax forgiveness is. Do you qualify for an offer and compromise? You're going to see thousands of ads, all misleading ads about people can settle your debt and they can do this. As a former IRS agent, I worked the offer and compromise program. Peter Salinger of my office actually went ahead and worked about 2,500 offers and compromise. He was an offer and compromise supervisor and a supervisor of those upper management people. We know IRS and how to settle cases, but that's not the point. Let me tell you about the offer and compromise program. Not everybody is qualified for this program. I need to let you know right now, if you can sell everything you had and you can pay the debt, IRS is not going to accept your offer and compromise. So I will tell you that people call me, they got money in their pension plan, you just don't want to pay all of it, you want to settle. That's not what the program is about. If you truly cannot pay this debt by selling your assets and you don't have like a lot of income, then this program really is for you. So IRS, as a former agent, when I looked at these cases, like I said, I used to accept these with a pen like this and deny the offers and compromise. We've worked these to death. What we do is we look at a financial statement that IRS is going to use for you, and we make a determination whether you're even qualified. One of the things you can do, it's not really accurate, but it's accurate enough. You can go to the IRS pre-qualifier tool, go to irs.gov, ask for the offer and compromise pre-qualifier tool. That will give you an idea whether you can settle your debt for a federal tax debt forgiveness program. I'm using this terminology for you because you've Googled this. Let me be really clear on what me, a former agent, would work your case. I'm interested in just 2 things. I'm interested in your assets and your liquidation value, and I'm looking at your income, and I'm looking at your income and expense ratio. You need to know before you call IRS or give your a case to anybody that IRS has a national standard of what they're going to allow you for your expenses. If you're not aware of that, you need to be aware of that, because that may kill or it may help your offer and compromise. I have many videos on the IRS national standard. You may want to look at that. I want to tell you one other thing and caution you, if you're picking a firm really other than us, you may want to use your accountant, an attorney friend, but you've got to know this before you do that, and before you write a check to anybody, you want to give them the IRS financial statement, the 433A OIC. Let them review it first for free to find out if you're really qualified for the offer and compromise. Another thing you've got to know, the only people that can represent you is an attorney, a CPA, or an enrolled agent with Internal Revenue Service. If you're not speaking to them and they don't review your financial statement and they can't answer questions about it, you are giving your money to the wrong firm. There are a lot of people. Understand that 95% of the people that you're going to call, you're going to speak directly to a salesperson. If you've seen ads, you're going to be paying for the ads they run. You're going to be paying the salesperson, and you're going to get a real jacked up fee. Remember, what you want to do is simply whoever you're going to call, like us or whoever, you want to be able to give that financial statement, the 433A, for them to review and let them tell you very simply, thumbs up or thumbs down. Once they tell you that and it's thumbs up, you ask for a price and you proceed. So remember, the Federal Debt Forgiveness Program is called the Offer and Compromise. And remember, don't get ripped off. Last year, 14,000 offers and compromise were accepted, and right now they're taking 1 year to go ahead and process. We have about a 95% kill rate. The ones we get wrong are the ones people lie to us. Give me a subscription if this information was good. I'd appreciate it. We thrive on that because Google thrives on that. Google or YouTube. At the end of the day, if you want us, just see my information below. You can contact us. I appreciate the subscription. Thank you.